Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate your passenger's airbag on your city Ibiza. We're sitting on the front side of the car and we are see that there is the ignition key, and we open the side compartment and we can see this airbag on. That means now the airbag, the passenger side airbag is on, and we can switch it off. We are performing this switching off position if we are going to get a child seat on the passenger side, where the kid is looking to the back side. And if I now switch on the device, the car, this airbag off light will show as that the airbag is switched off on the passenger side. Now you can transport your child on the passenger side, which is looking to the back side of it, not on the front side. But if there is sitting an adult or something else with looking forward, you should open this cover and get this bag on an airbag position, switch to on using your ignition key. So this is the standard way to get the airbag back in business. Switch on the device and this light should be off after approximately seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.